Good morning. Stretch. Stretch. Hi. How did you sleep? Huh? How did you sleep? God. Hi, Liver Bean. Good morning. You're so long I can't get you all in the camera shot. You're growing up too fast. Hi. Somebody's in a good mood this morning. How are you today? Sun's shining. We should go out and have some fun. Let's try this. Hi. How are we this morning? Hi, Olivia. Stretch. We're so long. I have to go away. I have to get you all in. Oh, Mom's got a frog in her throat. Hi. Oh yeah. How are we feeling today? So far, so good, looks like. Stretch, little monkey. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Want to go get some breakfast? Yeah, breakfast sounds good. All right, let's go. Say bye. She said it, I heard her.